Hi, Grandma. This is Elijah opening his Christmas present from you. What?
Scooby-Doo jammies!
You got Scooby-Doo jammies from Grandma?
Yeah!
What do you tell her?
Thank you. He's for me. He's actually for me.
Yeah.
This shirt's for me too. Let me see.
So thank you, Grandma, for sending his pajamas.
Thank you.
And he's wearing his outfit his dad wanted for Christmas.
Yay!
And yes, it is still light out, but yeah, don't show the card. It is still light out, but his brothers opened their presents. That's our lovely tree that fell over again today, so it makes 3 times this year. And yes, that's the bucket I put it in. But anyways, Merry Christmas, Grandma. And yeah, talk to you later.